Refineries are essential to the oil and gas industry and the modern consumer economy. As professionals, we must all do our part to make sure that the facilities where we work are online, with each unit in good working order, to provide quality products in sufficient volumes and to deliver them on time. One of the leading threats that refineries face is corrosion. It can impact process equipment, storage tanks, and piping across the refinery. This e-learning course will show you the mechanics and likely locations of corrosion at sulfur recovery units, as well as the actions you can take to control corrosion and prevent its spread. Recognizing why and how corrosion happens in sulfur recovery units will help you address one of the most serious problems in our industry. Corrosion costs the refining industry millions of dollars annually and can lead to equipment failure, increased costs, unscheduled downtime, and compromising product quality. Additionally, some of the more serious incidents occurring at refineries in recent years have involved corrosion as a root cause or contributing factor. The causes and mechanics of corrosion often vary with the process unit. In this e-learning course, you will examine the mechanics of corrosion at sulfur recovery units and learn valuable strategies and procedures to control corrosion and prevent its spread. Corrosion has been linked to fires, explosions, uncontrolled releases, and environmental incidents. When corrosion spreads in a process unit or we fail to detect or recognize the factors that may contribute to it, we risk the health and safety of our coworkers and the public. Failing to address corrosion can lead to rising expenses, cost overruns, and scheduling delays. Serious harm to the reputations of companies and facilities can also arise as customers may question reliability or product quality. Serious corrosion also leads to lengthy, often labor-intensive repairs and early replacement of equipment, piping, or tanks. When we recognize the factors that contribute to corrosion and take the steps necessary to control corrosion while maintaining process quality, we help to ensure safe and efficient operations and protect the reputation of the facility and company. Through some relatively simple actions and procedures, we can make a substantial difference in controlling corrosion and keeping facilities online, on schedule, and within budget, while producing the products customers rely on. An integrated strategy to address corrosion, adjusted for the specifics of each process unit, makes good business sense. Not only will corrosion reduction and prevention help prevent significant incidents, but they will also make operations more efficient and reliable. While corrosion is a persistent problem and the mechanisms that cause it often vary with the process, strategies to reduce corrosion are known, tested, and supported by industry best practices. Corrosion can lead to leaks, spills, and loss of containment, typically involving highly combustible or explosive materials. It also presents health risks and contaminates environments. Each year, serious incidents, near misses, and unsafe conditions are triggered by corrosion as either a primary cause or contributing factor. These incidents are preventable, and reducing corrosion across the refinery and in every process unit is a key part of the solution. You may be interested in the other related e-learning courses shown here. This e-learning course discusses the topics shown here.